Did you know that sharks are some of the most fascinating creatures in the ocean? Unlike most fish, they don't have bones. Instead, their skeletons are made entirely of cartilage, the same flexible tissue that makes up our noses and ears. This unique structure makes sharks lighter and more agile in the water, allowing them to glide effortlessly through the depths. Cartilage is also more resilient than bone, which helps sharks withstand the pressures of their underwater environment. So, while they may not have a bony framework, their cartilaginous skeletons are perfectly designed for survival. It's just one of the many incredible adaptations that make sharks such remarkable predators of the sea.